Be careful, okay? Those are that you be careful. Don't walk.
When did you guys have this in? Yesterday.
Remember when we were running out the door?
The guy with the truck was on that street when we shoved you in the car and took you out of there. We didn't want you to see him.
Oh.
I'm like, hurry up!
This trampoline is cold.
It's cold out here.
I know.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
This is for being such good kids.
Don't lose your privileges.
Love you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yay! 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 Slippers. Yay!